At ISE 2023, one of the other really exciting developments is automated lecture capture. Canon is doing a fantastic job at demonstrating this with their new PTZ cameras, partnered with an Epiphan Pearl. So anybody who does lecture capture is probably familiar with how easy a Pearl is to set up and have it so a teacher can walk into the room, push a button and start that stream or record. You can also set Pearls to run on a schedule if you have a Panopto or Kaltura integration. Canon's bringing a lot of power to this by showing their PTZ cameras, which have really the best tracking system I've ever seen. If you look at the demo here, you see they're tracking faces and the torso. And I'm watching these and they're spot on. They zoom in and out. They do all the PTZ functions of this camera perfectly in sync with the content that's being showed. So really exciting partnership here, and nice to see a solution that I imagine everybody in education will be excited to take a look at.
So behind me today we have our CRN 700 PTZ camera, which is featuring our auto tracking application. What this does is it allows the camera to seamlessly track the presenter on stage, whether that's in a classroom, corporate environment, or any other example. Various parameters can be set to make this a powerful tool. You can prioritize the speaker, or you can prioritize an area such as a whiteboard. So if your speaker's moving around, the camera zoom will act to keep everything in frame. We have this paired with the Epiphan Pearl Mini, certainly for a use case like education and things like corporate applications. We have to look at how our camera fits into the wider system. Obviously our camera being the front end of the system, but you have to get that image quality back through and out there to your viewers. What Epiphan does is it really simplifies multiple video inputs in high quality and allows you to distribute those to all your viewers. Whether you're in a small establishment that just needs a simple chain setup to get your cameras from capture to viewing, or whether you're in a huge establishment that requires a lot of integration, having partners is key. So that means we're able to share our knowledge and our information on how our products work, giving high quality video, and allow that to transfer seamlessly the whole way through to give the viewers the best viewing experience that they can.